Hey guys, good morning. You're welcome back to my channel. I'm Irene. Please, I would like to tell us something that has actually changed my life that I've been using for some time now, and it has been wonderful. It has been beautiful. It's called castor oil. I know I've made a video generally about what castor oil does, but this one is kind of different because this is it, the castor oil. It has so many uses. I this one is rampantly found in my area, so I usually use it, and it's usually recommended by doctors and the rest. So I'm going to read out what is written on the label. Castor oil may be used for the relief of occasional constipation. It should not be used if you have stomach ache, nausea, or vomiting. Consult your doctor before use if you're pregnant or breastfeeding. Do not use if you have an intestinal blockage. Now, what does it mean? I'm going to kind of break it down so we understand. It is used for relief of occasional constipation. Let's assume you're having constipation regularly. You hardly, go to the toilet. So if you want to give it a go and all that, you take castor oil first thing in the morning before meal time, before eating. Then it helps to flush down your system so you could be able to go to the toilet. And then the next one is um, it should not be used if you have stomach ache, nausea, or vomiting. So if you have problem already with your stomach, like you're vomiting, you're nauseous about, you shouldn't take castor oil because it's going to kind of worsen it. So consult your doctor before using it if pregnant or breastfeeding. Yes, I can agree to this because when my sister was pregnant and when she was having her second baby, she she was in her due dates, and then when she was ready for when her body started giving signs for labor, we went to the hospital. I was fortunate enough to go with her. It was a beautiful thing. I saw my niece come out. So when you got to the hospital, and then the labor has started, but it wasn't as probably fast as it should be. So the doctor gave her 3 tablespoons of this castor oil. So she took 3 tablespoons of this castor oil, and before you know it, I'm telling you, before you know it, my baby niece was out. So it kind of helped. So please, I wouldn't advise you do this on your own, because if you're pregnant and you're not in your body hasn't started giving signs of labor, you shouldn't take castor oil, because even if you do, nothing is going to happen. The least that could happen is that you go to toilet. So you understand. So it only induces labor when your body has started giving signs of labor. That's the only time it induces labor. So I think that's that for that. So it should be taken on an empty stomach 1 hour before meal time. Yes. So, but in my own case, how I take my own castor oil, I use it as a detox. I I take it with hot water mixed with lemon to clean my system. I don't do this regularly, but I do it, let's say, once or two times in 2 weeks to kind of boost my system to remove dirt and all that. So I'm going to be at home today. I wouldn't be going anywhere. Uh so I'm going to take it today. So in case I start purging, or in case I start visiting the toilet frequently, I wouldn't have to embarrass myself. I'll be at home. So let me show you how I do it. This is my cup of warm water, and this is my castor oil. This is my lemon. So I'm going to scoop 2 tablespoons of castor oil. Castor oil has a very weird taste. This is a mm, 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 mm. Oh my god, it's very thick. So oh, it's not bitter, but now taking oil is a healthy oil actually, but mhm. So this the lemon is going to help out get the taste in my mouth. I have to put the second one too. So let me fix the camera. Okay, so I'm going to put in the second one. So I'm going to be taking this now. It's good to at least clean up the taste of the castor oil. Oh. So this is how I take my castor oil detox. Please note, if you're ovulating, or you don't take this after ovulation, because you don't want to spoil whatever or ruin whatever that is growing up down there. So, and also you're not supposed to take it during your period, because it's going to kind of cause heavy bleeding, so you wouldn't want that too. So castor oil should have been taken after ovulation and during your period. And then pregnant women need their doctor's advice to take castor oil back. So if you're not in this category, excuse me, you're free to try it out. And then please don't forget to thumbs up the video, and then to drop your comments in the comment section. Tell me what you think. Tell me if you've tried it before, how it went with you. Tell me anything about castor oil, anything. If there are videos you would like me to make, just tell me, and then I'll be happy to help out. So thank you for watching to this video. Please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to like, and don't forget to share. Thank you. See you tomorrow.